In this video, we will show you how to change default font on Outlook. To change your default font on Microsoft Outlook, first you need to open your Microsoft Outlook. Okay, just open Microsoft Outlook first, and we will try to compose or reply new message. When we creating new email, okay, our default font is look like this. You can see the color is black, and the font is using Aptos here. Okay. So we don't want to change every time the font when we compose or replay. You can change the default font. How to do that? First, you can click Files and choose Settings. After that, select Mail, and in here you can select Compose and Replay. And in here you can change the default font. For example, from Aptos, we will using the Arial. Okay, like this, and we change the color, for example, to red. Okay, and click Save. Now when we typing, okay, when we typing on the new mail, you can see, let's close this. When we typing on the new mail, let's create new mail here. Now you can see our font is Arial and the color is red. You can see it's as default. If you don't believe, let's just select the another email. Okay, for example, we have inbox mail. For example, here we can just click this, and when we click replay, you can see it's also red and using Arial. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to change the default font on Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.